Good day everyone. My name is John Robic Gallardo. I'm a HM student, first year, block 18. So this is a Word. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to use the Word, the tools Word, and the skills I have is good communication skills, good cooking skills, and a little bit of computer skills such as gaming. So the first I'm gonna show you is copy and paste. So you can do it like this, like long press this and right click. You have a copy and paste in here, but to make it easier, just simplify, use Ctrl and C and just like paste it, something like that. And you can use these tools called undo. So undo that, and for example, use, if you want to cut, like here, you have this cut. The shortcut of this is Ctrl X, something like that, and just paste it again, something like that. So we have here a graph. How did you do this on Word? So I'm gonna show you how. So for example, here, let's use insert, go to the chart, and here you have a lot of options on how to do a graph. So if you have something like research, something like that, you want to use this. You want to use these tools to simplify, engage your data or analyze your data, something like that. So I'm gonna show you another example. Here is the table. So you can do this, like for example, a 2x2 table, something like that. Oh no, that's wrong. A 2x2, something like that. And let's say last year, for example, and this year. So what's the best thing you do last year? Let's say you travel another country. And this year, travel to more country, something like that, guys. You want to extend this by simply just do this to extend the column, something like that. So this is some basic things you need to learn about Word. For the insight, Word is a tools to use on encoding, such as encoding your research, business plan, something like that. And a Word is a tools that is a universal tools. You can do a graph, labels, writing, essays, something like that. So you want to do this too, this design, do something like that, do this or do that. Yeah, there's a such as values, like you want to change the colors, the fonts, whatever you want, something like this. Let's say Georgia, like that. You can always do it. And you want to change the page to color to something like this, like that. It's too green, yeah, something like that, guys. So if you want to just simply highlight all of that, and let's say use this, so you can change the specific word, change the color. Okay. Let's say if you want to change this, just this, not the title, you can use this, and let's say color white, something like that, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna see you on the Excel next video. Thank you, guys.